My name is Mac A. Greco Jr., founder of the Mac A. Greco Jr. PA law firm here in downtown Tampa. I founded this law firm 40 years ago to obtain accountability and responsibility for the harms and losses caused to injured people. I feel very fortunate to work together with 3 other attorneys who share my sense of pride and conviction for personal attention to each and every one of our clients.
My name is Andrea Harrelson. Before becoming an attorney, I was a registered nurse for approximately 10 years. I believe my nursing experience has given me the insight and appreciation into the medical issues involved in our cases and how they impact our clients and their families.
Hello, my name is Andrew Wozniak. Before joining the firm, I was a partner in a large law firm here in Florida, primarily representing hospitals and doctors in medical negligence lawsuits. This has provided me with insight into the tactics of the defense and will allow me to obtain the best possible result in your case.
My name is Trey Greco. What sets our law firm apart from a lot of other law firms is that we understand the tactics that a lot of insurance companies try to use to avoid taking responsibility for the harms and the losses. And we're committed to our clients to putting them in the best possible situation to defeat those tactics.
We work together to achieve the best possible result for each client.
Mac Greco Jr. PA. Call us today.